Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Vadhood, and today I want to talk about something that affects almost all of us, spending too much time on our phones or screens. You pick up your phone to check a message, and suddenly you're deep into reels, shorts, or random scrolling. It happens, and honestly, we've all been there. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 practical ways to reduce screen time and be more productive. And I've also added a really effective tip from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear that I personally find super useful. Let's get into it. First, start by checking how much time you're actually spending on your phone. Your phone already tracks it. On iPhone, it's under screen time, and on Android, it's digital well-being. When you look at those numbers, it gives you clarity. You start to realize how much time goes where, and that awareness alone can help you change your habits. Second, set time limits for apps that you use the most. Social media apps are designed to pull you in and keep you there. Set a 30-minute daily limit for apps like Instagram, YouTube, or whatever app eats most of your time. When the limit hits, you get a reminder, and that little nudge can actually help you pause and decide if you really need to continue. Next, try having no phone zones in your routine. This means keeping your phone away during meals, not using it right after waking up, or avoiding it before sleeping. These small gaps in your day where you're not on your phone can really improve your focus, sleep, and even your mood. Now here's the habit trick from Atomic Habits. James Clear talks about a method called habit stacking. It means you attach a new habit to something you already do. So, every time you feel the urge to pick up your phone, replace it with a small, productive action, like drinking water, doing a quick stretch, organizing your table, or writing down one thing you need to do next. It's a simple replacement that builds over time and changes your response automatically. If you're working or studying on a screen for long hours, try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. It helps reduce eye strain and gives your mind a quick refresh. Also, use your phone to your advantage. There are apps that actually help you stay off your phone or stay productive. Apps like Forest make you grow a tree while you stay focused, and planning tools like Notion or Todoist help you manage your day better. The goal is to use your phone in a way that supports your life, not distracts you from it. In the end, remember what Atomic Habits says. Small changes, done consistently, lead to big results. You don't need to make a huge shift overnight. Just start with one habit today. One small improvement. If this video helped you, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always stuck to their screen. And let me know in the comments, what's one tiny habit you want to build this week? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.